Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to disable Snapchat AI. Let's have a look now. Snapchat doesn't let users to hide or disable Snapchat AI, so you can't completely remove the AI chatbot, but you can hide it from your feed. To do this, open the chat tab to see your conversations. Tap and hold on My AI. Go to chat settings, then click on clear from chat feed and confirm the action by clicking clear. So there you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.